Hello, guys, this is your host Natsu. Welcome again to a new episode. Today we'll see the new Valentine's special chapter of Lady Meow. I already done two steps. Let's we see again the the cinematic. Lady Meow, are you okay? Hey Cupid, no, I'm not. I can't find Catherine. Well, she is probably around here helping out. Orcs have made a mess of the kingdom. There is a lot to. No, 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 no. I've searched everywhere. I'm telling you, something wrong. Meow, calm down. When was the last time you saw her? I think it was when the orcs finished with all the food in the palace and they started demolishing walls. We wanted to check if everyone was okay, so we went in different directions. She is always extra careful, but what if the orcs found her? what what if they have done something wrong, doing something to her? Cupid. I you don't understand. I need to find her. I need to speak to her. Oh, I see. I do understand. Now I get it. I think it's what we call a relationship. When SP start promoting gay relation, okay, I'm going to help you find her. Okay, okay. Just concentrate on what you were wanting to say a minute ago. That feeling will guide our way. But we need to leave now. I will never forgive myself if something happens to her. Well, we will find her, I promise. So, a couple monsters. Uh, let's uh, let's mute the sound. Okay, I can play better. So I think UV fusion with hidden chef is better. Let's give her some AoE skills. Okay. Okay, that's it. True love. Don't miss the spinning the roulette wheel because it gives you some good prizes. Some ambrosia, five, three gems. Why? Why? This ad starts to be annoying. We contact the support to find a solution for these ads. Start to get on my nerve. So let's continue. Let's auto it. Don't do the mistake as I did in the first note, and I skipped the spinning the wheel. Okay, that's a free 25 elementium. Nice. Could have been better, but it's okay. If you don't have strong monsters, I suggest you wait a little and grab some cells from the Valentine challenge and get Dark Voltic and King Charms. They are both extra turners. They probably when they get a turn, they can finish the match. Okay. The first few notes are easy enough, but let's see. 30k. Right. This monster is really good, and I believe SP released another one with Pierce, but this time is a status caster. It's not confirmed yet, and it's subject to change, but it is what it is. Cupid is a really good looking monster with the wings and all wings. It kind of reminds me of Uriel and what is called? Yeah, Armor Claw. It's like fusion of these two. And this Star Killer. So fusion of those three. Do not miss this monster. I repeat, do not miss the Cherub Cupid. If you miss it, it's a really big loss. This one can easily take you to Legend 2 or 1. Okay, new cinematic. Let's see. Lady Meow. I'm getting depressed now. What if it is too late? What if she is... She is not dead, Lady Meow. I can sense that we are getting closer. Closer. Your feelings are strong and they are guiding our way. If she is alive, she is definitely a prisoner. We are getting close to the other side of the mountain. That's where the orcs live. And I doubt she will be feasting with them. Let's stop for a minute and take a breath. It will make you feel better. So, when did you realize that? Oh, I guess it was after we ran away together. I need to escape my life. The light court. I needed to escape my life in the light court. And she was my mate, but she had the spirit of an adventurer. She couldn't stay there and live that kind of life. So we ran away and we got to know each other better. And I guess that little by little I started seeing her in a different light. She's just so special. Have you ever told her this? No. I've been wanting to for a while, but what if she doesn't feel the same way about me? I don't want to ruin our adventure with my feelings. Anyway, let's carry on, please. Okay, we have almost reached the barbarian territory. That's get to be a little confusing, but let's continue. So my guess was right. Lady Meow is falling in love with Catherine or Catherine, like I like to call her. But I thought SP is like a family-friendly game, or I'm a little confused. They start with unifusion and direct vertical relation, uh, and now this. Come on, SP, give us some good prize. Thank you, 5 gems. That's the worst price. I need 500 gold. Okay, the dungeon are easy enough. I didn't face any challenge, but I think in the next final round, final steps or nodes, things will be much harder. We are almost there. Level 90. It's okay. Nice. 40 ambrosia. So by finishing this dungeon, we would get a free 300 ambrosia. That's good. It's equivalent to what you can make in 5 days if you complete the dungeon. And that's really hard task. In 10 days, if you are talking about someone who can't finish the Doomsday dungeon, like me. I just can't find the best team to get me to the last node. I always fall behind in the final 2 steps. Okay, a new cinematic. What do you want? I'm speaking like Russian. Well, here looking for someone. Wait a second. Aren't you from the Light Kingdom? Yes, she is. We saw her yesterday. This is one we're gonna after. Yes, yes. We're following her. When the other one distracted us. The other one? The other one? Yeah, that cook. She is the chieftain cook now. She told us she would come with us if we stopped follow Nia. She? Look, Meow, she is over there. Meow, run away. Don't worry about me, just leave. And the big boss is here. Get away from my cook. Okay. Angelica told me. Again? Not again. Oh. And we got all the prize. So let's see the final video. Cat, is that true? Did you risk your life to save me? Well, they were following you, saying that you looked well nourished, and you weren't even noticing that they were after you because you were focused on helping others. I couldn't let them attack you, so I told them that I worked in the kitchens in the palace and that I could cook for them. They believed it and made me their prisoner. But you are a terrible cook. Ha ha ha. I know, but their taste isn't exactly refined. They will eat everything as long as it's bread. And how are you? I'm okay. They haven't treated me badly as prisoner. I just missed you. I've missed you too. For a minute, I thought I would never see you again. I would never forgiven myself if Meow, I'd do anything for you. Oh, this is Cupid doing some magic. Listen, cat, there is something I have been wanting to say for a while now. I don't want to ruin things or make you uncomfortable, but I love you. There it is. As I thought, my guess was right. I love you too, Meow. You do? Hadn't you noticed? Oh, cat, I'm so stupid. Haha, a little, but you are also the smartest monster I know. That's the end. Thank you. So that's was our Valentine special saga. We helped Lady Meow and Catherine reunited. So thank you for following us. I was your host Natsu. See you in the next time. Bye.